Here's how the internet really works. You just send a meme to your friend on the other side of the world. In less than a second, boom, they've seen it. But wait, how? The truth is way crazier than you think. Scratch that. The internet is not what you think it is. It's definitely not floating on air. 99% of the world's internet traffic moves through thousands of miles of cables under the ocean. Yep, there's a literal web of fiber optic cables snaking across the seabed, carrying everything from your cat videos to billion-dollar bank transactions. Nothing is really wireless. Even Wi-Fi relies on cables at some point. When you hit send on a message, your data doesn't just teleport. It gets broken into tiny chunks called packets. These packets travel at nearly the speed of light through fiber optic cables, bouncing between massive data centers before reaching their destination. That's why you can stream 4K videos from across the world with barely a delay. But sometimes the journey isn't smooth. If a shark decides to chew on an undersea cable, yes, that happens, or a ship drops an anchor in the wrong place, your internet might slow down. Who knew sharks were a bigger threat to Netflix than slow Wi-Fi? But here's the big question. Who controls the internet? Who owns it all? Google? The government? Mark Zuckerberg and his secret lair? Nope. The internet is actually a collection of privately owned networks all connected together. No single person controls it, but a few powerful organizations, like ICANN, make sure domain names and IP addresses don't turn into total anarchy. Next question. How does the internet hold websites? Where do websites actually live? When you type in a website like YouTube, you're not just pulling it out of thin air. The site's files, videos, and data are stored on massive computers called servers, sitting in warehouses that look more like sci-fi fortresses. These places, called data centers, use more electricity than some small countries. So yeah, the internet is kind of an energy monster. But with all this data flying around, there's a dark side. Hackers, cyber attacks, and government surveillance are very real. Every time you send a password or a credit card number, it zips through multiple servers before reaching its destination. If one of those points gets hacked, boom, your data could be exposed. This is why encryption exists. It scrambles your data, so even if a hacker grabs it, it's unreadable gibberish. Think of it like sending a secret letter in a locked box that only the receiver has the key to. So always remember to use strong passwords, enable two-factor authentication, and never ever trust public Wi-Fi. The internet is a miracle, but it's not invincible. It is one of humanity's greatest inventions. It connects us, educates us, and lets us send memes at lightning speed. But it's not some untouchable magic. It's a complex physical network that needs constant maintenance, protection, and smart usage. So the next time you send a message, stream a video, or search for cat pictures at 2 a.m., remember, you're not just using the internet. You're part of a global, high-speed, light-powered, undersea cable-wrapped miracle. Stay curious, stay safe, and most importantly, don't let the sharks get your Wi-Fi.